Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today we're going to talk about the difference between the deep web and the dark web. So one of the things that everybody knows about is the internet, the World Wide Web. You go type in a URL in a browser and that's the normal web that everybody else sees. The next thing that we have is the deep web. Now, the deep web is not something that is crawled or indexed by engines, search engines. So if you type something in Google, it's not going to return anything from the deep web. You can find things like certain types of marketplaces on the deep web, people sharing information, nothing that is highly against the law. And then the final thing that we have is the dark web. The dark web is where you will find highly illegal stuff, and you can buy pretty much anything you want. You can get drugs, weapons, whatever. And that's where the Silk Road was operating. Not only is the dark web not indexed, basically search engines cannot index it, but also you need some special tools to access the dark web. One such tool you can use is, for example, the Tor browser. And you can search for Tor, torproject.org. Why am I giving you this URL? Not necessarily to get to the dark web, but more so you can anonymize yourself when you're communicating online. And this was an interesting question that came up in a seminar that I held not too long ago. And that was, well, is Tor only used for bad stuff then? Illegal stuff? No, it's not. It's used for a lot of good stuff in countries like China, Iran, countries where you cannot openly communicate. People use Tor to hide themselves, their identities, so they can say what they want to say, what's on their mind. So Tor by itself is not illegal. A lot of people even here use Tor. I use Tor a lot of times to anonymize myself. But you need something like Tor to be able to access the dark web. Those are some of the differences between the different types of web that you can access. And you can go to torproject.org, get the Tor browser, and learn more about what Tor does. It's actually a good thing to know if there was a situation that you needed to hide your identity and say something that's on your mind. You would use something like Tor browser. So until next time, everybody have a great day and be safe.